Hello everyone and welcome to BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing NetSuite consulting services across the globe. We have a far-reaching proficiency in end-to-end implementation and support. Myself Rohit Arya, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to hold a bill payment and how to pay a bill on Oracle NetSuite. So let's begin. A payment hold is generally made over a disputed invoice. A invoice or a bill can be disputed due to n number of reasons, such as faulty or poor quality of the goods or services, goods never arrived, dispute over the cost, etc. So let's see how we are going to do a payment hold in Oracle NetSuite. This is our Oracle NetSuite homepage. Here we will hover to the transactions, payables, enter bills and list. So now you can see here the various bills which have been made already in Oracle NetSuite. We will be taking this one as an example. Here you can see the payment hold button is not checked. There are certain things or the changes which imply on a bill when a payment hold box is checked out. That is, the make payment button won't be visible on the invoices on which payment hold is implemented. Such as you can see here, the make payment button is visible right now since the payment hold is not checked. And the vendor bill subjected to a payment hold does not appear in the bills payment page as well. And the electronic payments free tab does not process payments that are subjected to a payment hold. So let's begin. We will click on the edit tab. And now we will be checking the payment hold button and we will save the invoice. Because of some technical issues, the Oracle NetSuite is not functioning at its full speed. So now you can see, since we have checked the payment hold button, the make payment option has gone from here. So this is a way how we hold a payment over a certain invoice. Let's have a quick review about the steps which we have taken here. We went to the transactions and went to the payables, enter bills and list, and we clicked the view button next to the bill, and then we clicked on the edit tab and we checked the payment hold box and we saved the invoice. So now coming to our second topic of the video, we will see how to pay bills in Oracle NetSuite. There are two ways of making payments in Oracle NetSuite. The first one is you can pay multiple invoices at once, or you can also release a payment for a single invoice as well. So we will be seeing how to make a bulk payment. We will be going to the payables, pay bills and click on it. Here you can see there are various bills which have populated automatically here for all the payments which are pending. You can select the bills for which the payment has to be made. As you select the bill, you can see the amount has totally automatically populated up for the total invoices for which the payment has to be made. By clicking on the Save tab, you can release the payments and we will mention the current account. If your company is having more than one, you can select the one from which the payment has to be made. Under which accounts payable the payment has to be done, you can select all from here and we will click the Save button. I will not be clicking the Save button, as in this video we will be seeing how to make a payment for a single invoice. So we will hover to the transactions, payables, enter bills and list. For this example, we will be taking the example of this invoice for USD $399. We will click on the view tab. and then we will be clicking the make payment button. Now you can see our bill payment option is open. You can select a form. You can also create a custom form as per the needs of your organizations. The account payable from which account will be affected, sorry. And here we will be selecting the account from which the payment has to be made. The balance will automatically populate up. We will cross check all the details. Here you can see there are many bills which are pending for payment, as well as we are having bill credits as well. So you can select from here also for this particular vendor. You can select the bills to be paid, and you can exclude the bill credits amount as well. So now we will be clicking the Save tab. So now you can see we have got a confirmation that the transaction has been successfully saved. Let's take a quick review how we have processed this. For paying a single bill, we went to the transactions, payables, enter bills, and we went on the list and we clicked on the view tab next to the bill for which the payment has to be made. And then we click the make payment option after mentioning all the required information, such as the current account from which the amount has to be debited and others. And we click the Save tab. If we have to pay for the multiple bills, we went to the transactions, payables, pay bills, and then we selected the bank account from which the payment has to be made. We scroll down and we mark the bills which were supposed to be paid at once, and then we click Save tab. That's all for today's video. If you have any queries or consultation regarding informations you need, you can visit us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.